Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi Robot isn't detecting anything or responding to commands, you're not alone. This can often happen due to sensor failure, which may be caused by dust, debris, or general wear and tear. If left unchecked, your robot's performance will continue to degrade, and it may become completely non-functional. To tackle this issue, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your robot is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Begin by carefully prizing off the bottom cover using the spudger, starting at one edge and working your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is off, locate the sensor module, which is typically situated near the front of the device. You'll see a few screws holding it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, being mindful of their size and ensuring you keep them safe. As you remove the module, gently disconnect any cables attached to it. A little wiggle will help release them without pulling too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new sensor module and connect the cables securely, ensuring they are inserted in the correct orientation. Once connected, fasten it back into place using the screws you previously removed. Be sure to apply just the right amount of force. Over-tightening can damage the module. After securing the sensor, clean any dust off the internal components with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to prevent future issues. Finally, replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Power on your device and check to see if it detects objects and responds to commands as it should. If everything is functioning, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Xiaomi Robot. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly clean the sensors and ensure your robot is stored in a dust-free environment when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.